It was weird just going through the airport and not having to go through immigration or customs because it was a domestic flight. This is so exciting. When I was going through the airport, Toronto was very busy with people. That's actually the first time I've seen that many people in the airport all at once. So I was actually a bit shocked because I've never seen that many people at the airport before. In terms of getting the bus from the airport, I only looked at Google Maps, and when I check Google Map, it shows you which bus you need to take. The bus that I needed to take is an airport express bus, and I just asked somebody where the bus is located. You can actually just use Google Map and it will show you everything, and if you don't see it on Google Maps, then you can ask somebody. If you want to ask somebody for help, it is best to ask a security guard or a front desk personnel for guidance and assistance when it comes to location, just for safety reasons. One of the main ways to reduce your cost, reducing how many times you eat out. So for me, what I'm planning to do is to go to like Walmart and Dollarama, and I'm curious on the difference in pricing between both areas, because when it came to the bus in Charlottetown, the bus in Charlottetown is $2 per ride, and in Toronto the bus was $3.25. So it's a lot more expensive, like $1.25 more for the bus. But I'm curious to look at the prices at like Dollarama and Walmart, because that price I can actually compare. And the same thing how I was talking about how I don't trust the weather in Canada, they proved me right. They said that there will be a lot of rain today, and there's absolutely no rain here, like it is sunny right now. And yes, the sky looked bleaky, and even in the plane you could see that the sky was very dark, but there's no rain actually falling. So that's why I say I do not trust Canadian weather, because it is just all over the place. So that is why it is important to have all the clothing needed for each and every temperature there is that could possibly happen in Toronto, because that could possibly happen in Canada, because the weather is just very unstable and unpredictable here. It is actually very warm right now. I was out there and I started to feel very warm, and I was wearing this and I just had on like a little sweater over this, and it wasn't even clothes, and I felt warm just wearing that. So that just shows you that it is pretty warm. And right now you can wear sleeveless because the temperature goes up throughout the day, and I'm 2 hours behind now. So when night comes, even if I go to bed at 11 tonight, it's actually going to be 1 o'clock a.m. in my time zone. So enough chit chat, let's get into the room tour. So as we enter at the door, this is what the ride looks like. So it's just 2 chairs here and a desk. There's a telephone right here. And then to the far left here, we have the washroom. It just looks like this. And there are two shower heads. So you have one right here, and then there's another one inside right here, and they have shampoo provided. And then you have the mirror here, and the light up here. There's tissue there. Right here is liquid soap. And around here they have towels, lots of towels. I'm heading to Casa Loma now. Casa Loma is a castle that they transformed into a museum. Vacation workout, you know. We never need to go on a gym. Beautiful. I had a lot of fun. I feel as if this trip was mostly walking. I'm heading to the grocery store to check out some prices. Prices just to see how they differ from Charlottetown prices.